Hello everyone and welcome to our webinar, ERA Custom Possibilities. I'm your moderator, Lisa McCombie, and I'm the Environmental Product Marketing Manager here at ERA. Brian Miller is our Customs Product Line Manager and has 14 years experience working in the environmental testing industry with experience in radiochemistry, organic, and inorganic chemistry. ERA was founded in 1977 in beautiful Golden, Colorado. It was acquired by Waters Corporation in 2007, and in 2011 ERA moved into a new 25,000 square foot facility. A few pictures of our facility are shown below. ERA manufactures environmental proficiency and quality control standards. We do wastewater, drinking water, soils, air and emissions, microbiology, radiochemistry, custom standards, and bulk reagent standards. Take it away, Brian.
ERA Custom Possibilities. ERA Custom Products. ERA manufactures organic, inorganic, and radiochemistry custom standards. ERA conducts custom single-blind, double-blind, and total lab evaluations. Example of custom standards that we commonly sell here at ERA are calibration standards, stock solutions, control standards, linearity standards, and matrix spiking standards. Available matrix that ERA can provide. We've done some drinking water standards, wastewater standards, seawater, brine, soil, various food matrices, fish, vegetation samples, air filters, petroleum, charcoal filters, sludge, and even cement. Standards are available as concentrates or as ready-to-use whole volume solutions, and each is supplied with a certification sheet. Below in the bottom left is a picture of a couple of our soil standards and how they're received and what they look like. In the bottom right is a charcoal filter that we actually spike with iodine 131. Double-blind evaluation. Double-blind evaluations are designed to evaluate your laboratory's analytical methods by providing samples that mimic samples received from field sites. Double-blind evaluation setup steps. Give ERA a call and let us know what analytes and concentrations you desire. ERA will set up a project with certified reference standards. Send us your empty sampling bottles, blank labels, chain of custody forms, and sample coolers. We will prepare the standards, fill out your sample bottles, and then ship them back to you via overnight service. At the same time, the certified values and acceptance limits will be sent to you under a separate sealed cover letter. Your lab will receive the samples, log them in as routine samples, and analyze them. You can then evaluate your lab's results by comparing the results to the provided certified values. The picture here shows a double-blind sample set, kind of an example. We have our bottles with the customer labels, chain of custody, and then a customer cooler. Total lab evaluation. ERA's Total Lab Evaluation Service allows you to see your lab's operation as experienced by your customers. Total Lab Evaluations setup steps. Give ERA a call and let us know what lab or labs you want evaluated. ERA will contact the lab or labs to set up a project. ERA will ask the lab to ship bottles, coolers, and paperwork to a site which is immediately redirected to ERA. We then prepare the blind evaluation samples, fill out your lab's bottles, chain of custody form, and ship the coolers to the lab or labs. The lab analyzes the samples, processes the data, and sends a final report to our fictitious site, which is then redirected to ERA. Throughout the process, ERA evaluates how your lab routinely deals with customers, the quality of sampling material, the clarity of your instructions, your lab's technical assistance, as well as the quality of the report and data. ERA will summarize the entire experience and report back to you with a final grade on the lab or lab's overall performance. Custom standard verification. ERA offers 3 options of certification of custom standards. The first one is gravimetric and volumetric measurements. This is an array of measurements based on weights and volumetric measurements using calibrated NIST traceable lab equipment. Our own analytical verification. If the requested analytes are routinely verified by ERA, ERA can analytically verify the custom requested standard. If the analytes are not routine analytes, then ERA can subcontract out the standard for verification. And the final one are Guide 34 certified reference material. For ISO Guide 34 requested standards, ERA will analytically verify the custom standard following the Guide 34 procedure. All analytes and certified values must fall under ERA's scope of accreditation to qualify as a Guide 34 standard. Below are a few pictures of our customs group area at ERA. Custom standard order form. Need a custom standard quote? Open the online form found at www.eraqc.com and fill in the fields. Complete one form for each custom standard you would like a quote for. Send a copy of the completed form to ERA. You can email us at info@eraqc.com or fax a form to 303-421-0159. An ERA representative will contact you within 1 business day. Packaging options for custom standards. ERA has a wide variety of containers for packaging custom standards. We have flame-sealed ampules, 20 ml, 10, 5, and 2 ml, both in clear glass and amber glass. Poly and glass bottles ranging from 1,000 ml down to 4 ml. And also various size glass jars, screw-top vials, and VOA vials. We have multiple vendors for packaging options, so just give us a call and we will try to meet your request as best as possible. ERA's reagent products. ERA manufactures and distributes bulk laboratory chemical and chemical solutions for industrial and laboratory use. Reagent products are manufactured within tolerances of plus or minus 0.5% and will hold the certified value lot to lot within 0.5%. Our reagent products are shipped with a certification of analysis and are homogeneous at a 95% confidence interval. ERA provides a full line of chemical and analytical reagent solutions, including buffer solutions, chemical indicators, and acids of various normalities and molarities from 0.01 to 1.0, including acetic acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acid. Other reagent products include EDTA, iodine standards, pH buffers from 2, 4, 7, and 10, both in colored and non-colored, sodium thiosulfate, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, a TISAB standard, and silver nitrate. For reagent products, ERA has capabilities of manufacturing batch sizes from 500 to 1,000 liters. Packaging options include 500 ml, 1,000 ml, and 3-gallon poly containers, 500 ml, 1,000 ml, and 4,000 ml amber glass bottles, and 1-gallon and 5-gallon cubic containers. In the bottom left is a picture of our bulk tanks that we have here at ERA. The far left tank is a 1,000-liter tank, and the two on the right are both 500-liter tanks. In our reagent group, we have an assembly line for packaging these bulk tanks. You can see in the back corner that we have a 500-liter tank that we are getting ready to fill. We have an automatic filler that can do 6 bottles at a time. We have one person filling, one person capping, and another person shrink wrapping and labeling. If you have any questions, you can send them to our contact info. Thanks for joining us.